Alright, what's up guys? Here at Sammy's camera. Let's go try out the Canon G7X. Yeah guys, real quick, I didn't know the camera was only shooting in 640p. So ignore the footage, just tell me what you think about the audio. Alright, and this is the Canon G7X audio check. What do you guys think of the audio? Can you hear me? It's recording now.
Check 1, 2.
You ready to help you or just checking it out?
Yeah, we're checking
Checking
out some
out-
of the footage right here on the...
Okay.
I have my card in here. I'm gonna take the footage home and check it out on my computer. The video footage. Man, it's got a fast autofocus.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, it tracked your face. It's pretty cool. And my shaky hand. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I get this camera or? Yeah. But yeah, comment below if I should get this camera.
What's the focus points?
Focus is pretty good. Get close, as close as you can. Yeah, it's tracking you pretty good.
About zoom, have a little zoom on it.
Oh yeah. How do you zoom on this? You know how you zoom on this thing?
Just moving this lever right there.
Oh.
It does have a programmable ring function too. You could use that as your ring tail
Okay.
on the lens.
Dang, this thing zooms far. Yo, D. This thing's got a pretty good zoom on it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I got you.
Pretty quick.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, so you guys let me know. Should I get that camera for the vlog or is the GoPro good enough for you guys? You guys let me know, alright? And thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace!